Donald Trump ordered a senior aide out of the Oval Office, accusing him of interrupting a television interview by coughing. The U.S. president told his chief of staff, Mick Mulvaney, to leave the room after his splutters distracted Trump as he answered a question about his finances. "I don't like that, you know, I don't like that," the famously germophobic Trump said, referring to Mulvaney's coughing. "If you're going to cough, please leave the room. You just can't cough. Boy oh boy," Trump added. Trump says he might turn over his financial statement to Congress. In the short clip, Trump is asked by ABC's George Stephanopoulos if he would ever release statements detailing his finances. "At some point, I assume it's going to be released," Trump said. "The Senate, they'd like to get my financial statement. At some point, I hope they get it because it's a fantastic financial statement," he added. "It's not up to me, it's up to lawyers, it's up to everything else," he said when challenged about not releasing the information thus far. Gallery, Trump presidency in photos.